This is not a drill. This May 2025, the renowned BBC Sky at Night magazine has published a chilling feature, laying bare the major cosmic threats looming over our planet. We're not just talking asteroids anymore. Get ready, because they're discussing dangers like alien viruses and devastating space storms. The question they're forcing us to ask is a stark one. Are we truly prepared for what the universe might throw at us? Let's start with perhaps the most startling revelation, the potential for alien viruses. Now, this isn't necessarily about little green men launching biological warfare. The article explores the scientifically plausible, though still speculative, idea of extraterrestrial pathogens. Think microscopic life forms, extremophiles or unknown viral strains hitching a ride on meteorites, comets, or even interstellar dust that constantly bombards our planet. How could they affect us? That's the terrifying unknown. Our immune systems would have no prior experience with such organisms. The article delves into the scenarios from dormant microbes reactivated in our atmosphere to the contamination of Earth by particles from other star systems. While the probability is debated, the potential impact is something planetary scientists are increasingly considering. Next up, a threat far more familiar yet no less devastating: space storms. Our own sun, the giver of life, can also unleash incredible fury. The BBC Sky at Night feature highlights the ever-present danger of massive solar flares and coronal mass ejections, or CMEs. These are colossal explosions of plasma and magnetic fields hurled into space. If a powerful one hits Earth, the consequences could be catastrophic. We're talking widespread power grid failures, plunging cities into darkness for weeks, even months. Satellites fried, knocking out GPS, communications, and vital weather forecasting. Some historical events, like the Carrington event in 1859, give us a terrifying glimpse of what a major solar storm could do to our modern, tech-dependent civilization. And the article reminds us it's not a matter of if, but when the next big one will hit. And the dangers don't stop there. The feature also touches upon other cosmic menaces that keep astronomers awake at night. The ever-present risk of large asteroid or comet impacts, capable of causing global devastation. Even more distant, but incredibly powerful, events like gamma-ray bursts from exploding stars in our galaxy could, in a worst-case scenario, strip away our atmosphere. The universe, it seems, is a far more hazardous place than we often like to imagine. This naturally leads to the critical question raised by the BBC Sky at Night article: how prepared are we for these cosmic broadsides? When it comes to alien viruses, planetary protection protocols for spacecraft returning from other worlds are in place. But what about natural infall? Astrobiologists are racing to understand the limits of life. For space storms, we have space weather prediction centers, and efforts are underway to harden our electrical grids and protect crucial satellites, but progress is slow and costly. Asteroid detection and deflection technologies, like NASA's DART mission, show promise, but we're still only tracking a fraction of potentially hazardous objects. The scale of these threats is immense, and our defenses, while evolving, often seem to be playing catch-up. The latest feature from BBC Sky at Night magazine isn't just a collection of doomsday scenarios. It's a serious call for awareness and preparedness. While some of these cosmic threats, like alien viruses, carry a higher degree of speculation, others, like major space storms, are statistically inevitable. Ignoring these warnings isn't an option. Investing in scientific research, developing robust planetary defense strategies, fostering international cooperation, and raising public awareness are crucial steps. Humanity is resilient, but our continued survival and progress depend on understanding and mitigating the risks that come with our place in this vast, dynamic cosmos. What do you think? Which of these cosmic threats worries you the most? And do you believe Earth is doing enough to prepare? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.